Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI C-Peptide Reagent Kit. Yeah, you can see this. The brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics, and product name C-Peptide CLIA Chemluminance Immunoassay. This is based on this principle. And over here you can see the content. What are the content present in it? Yeah, this comes up with 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 1 ml of calibrator low, 1 ml of calibrator high, 5.5 ml of buffer, and 8.5 ml of ABEA label, and 1 ml of control 1 and 1 ml of control 2. These are the content present in it. And over here you can find the reference number of the product. Yeah, the reference number of the product is 130255001M. Yeah, this is the reference number of the product. This reagent is used to analyze the C-peptide level in the sample. Yeah, you can see the pictorial representation over here. Yeah, you can see the pictorial representation here. It comes up with one instruction manual, and the reagent can be shoot away from the light, and the reagent should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So that only I am using ice pack to maintain the product temperature. And this reagent is for 100 testers. Yeah, over here you can see this is a C certified IVD product, in vitro diagnostics. And at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details and other stuffs. Yeah, these are the details over here. I'm just going to show you other side of the kit. This is the top view, and this is the front view, and you can see this is the other side of the kit. You can see the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics, and the upper direction to maintain the reagent from spoiling. And over here also you can find the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and over here you can see the product name C-Peptide and reference number 130255001M, and these are the content present in it. I'm just going to unbox this for your reference. Yeah, at the top you will be having instruction manual from Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI C-Peptide kit. Yeah, you can see the information present in it. I'm just going to show you the information present in it. Yeah, you can see the intent for use, summary, and what is the test principle, and what are the reagent present inside, and warning and precautions, and how to collect the specimen, and preparation for analysis, and storage condition, and all the details have been present in it. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, these are the details present. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. After that you will be having a certificate from quality assurance from Snibe Diagnostics for C-Peptide kit. Yeah, you can see this is the certificate. Yeah, after that you will be having an reagent seal for C-Peptide reagent kit. Yeah, you can see this is the reagent seal. I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having ABEA label. Yeah, you can see this is the ABEA label for control 1 and control 2, each 4 number. You can see the naming, C-Peptide control 1 and control 2. I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you can see these are the 2 controls for C-Peptide reagent kit. Yeah, I'm just going to take this out. Yeah, you can see this is the C-Peptide CLIA control 1 and control 2. Yeah, you can see each 1 ml. Yeah, this is the control kit. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you can see this is the reagent kit for C-Peptide CLIA Chemluminance Immunoassay. Yeah, here you can see the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI and product name C-Peptide, and this is a C certified IVD product. And over here you can find the content in this reagents. Yeah, it comes up with 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 1 ml of calibrator low and 1 ml of calibrator high, and 5.5 ml of buffer, 8.5 ml of ABI label. And you can see the upward direction. This product should be always kept in upward direction to prevent from spilling, and this product should be kept away from dye, and this product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. And this is for 100 test reagent kit. Yeah, this is the overall content present in it. Yeah, this is the top view of the reagent, and this is the back view. Yeah, to summarize it, Snibe MAGLUMI C-Peptide CLIA reagent kit consists of one instruction manual and the reagent kit, which consists of 2.5 ml of microbeads, 1 ml of calibrator low, 1 ml of calibrator high, 5 ml of buffer, 8.5 ml of ABA label, and control 1 and control 2, and 3 reagent seals, and 4 control 1 ABA label and 4 control 2 ABA label, and the certificate, quality assurance certificate from Snibe Diagnostics. These are the content present inside. Thank you.